You're such a fucking dictator!
Why the fuck not? He is not staying the night.
Oh
He's
my
a
God!
bum. I
I
don't
don't
even know why you are with him. He is a bum. He is a bum. I don't... Hear me? I don't care. Keep your mouth shut. I do is none of your business. And you watch your language. I'm gonna call your father and you're gonna get your ass kicked. I swear to God, you kill me. You kill me. You know, it's not that I wish I never had you.
Tell everyone I'm a down disgrace. Drag my name all over the place.
We're taking my wife's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad! Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway! It's been stolen!
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it! I know you didn't want it sold, but I need...
Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
This Big J, a.k.a. J-Dog, a.k.a. Dangerous J, and I should probably say, like, Jimmy DeSanta, in case this is in relation to a doctor's appointment or a reservation. Spazik!
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look, if I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had boat privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Mythologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail. Oh! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
Hey, what we about to do?
I'm gonna get you close, and you're gonna go board that thing.
All right, man, shit. Fuck it, let's do this.
All right, I got a piece in the glove box. They give you shit, I'll take them out.
All that's cool, man. You shoot with one hand and driving with the other. But my motherfucking concern is I might miss the jump and fall in fucking traffic.
You said you wanted to learn from the best. Let's call this lesson number 1.
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat.
Stick on the... Oh, God! Oh! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
Hey, what we about to do?
I'm gonna get you close, and you're gonna go board that thing.
All right, man, shit. Fuck it, let's do this.
All right, I got a piece in the glove box. They give you shit, I'll take them out.
All that's cool, man. You shooting with one hand and driving with the other. But my motherfucking concern is I might miss the jump and fall in fucking traffic.
You said you wanted to learn from the best. Let's call this lesson number 1.
I can't do this shit from here. Get me close.
conscience, kid.
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
Hold on.
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat. Oh, fuck this.
Shit. Shit. Ah, shit. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Get your ass out of here.
Hey, there ain't room up there for the both of you. Get off of him. Oh, easy with those bricks. You're pirates, you know that? Stay behind there, Frank. Get away from him. Now get up, you thieving prick. Okay, now go find Jimmy.
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! 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 Fuck!
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! The fuck are you doing? Whoa, crap!
Cocksucker.
Fuck, kid. Ah, crap!
Hey, get me off this damn thing. Hey, close, man, close. Remind me not to come to you for parenting advice.
That everyone? All right, time to get the boat back.
Drivers there, we can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, it's not that. It's...
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
By selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor, give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great! Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough! Hey, Franklin, can you call me a cab?
Sure thing, man. You want to go left here. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thanks, man.
Hey, so you, do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after it.
So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this. Ride fix, man, and dropped it back off at your house along with this dude.
Man, let's trick this whip, homie. Let's do it, bro. Mama wants a spoiler.
For a second, I thought you'd just come here to talk smack about that race you won. There, that looks
Reconditioned.
better.
Sweet. Dude, what's happening? My mama's car had almost as much work as my mama. I almost ain't gonna be embarrassed to borrow this thing.
All right, man, I'm taking you home.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Frank, or the credit fraud guy, the home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, I mean, sure,
Jimmy, ain't he? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle?
Nah, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership, and someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired, like fully. Like his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah, man. Well, maybe we could
Oh,
together,
man.
you know? Like, maybe we can get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You been putting them resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Life, the days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter?
Nah, not since the first couple.
Okay. Hey, careful! Yo, together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie. What's up, homie?
Hey, look, Chop got to stay around your crib for a while, homie. That's cool?
Yeah, man, it's cool. Shit's the best place for him anyway.
Like it ain't nobody out there gunning for your black ass. Bullshit, nigga. Just take care of it, man, all right?
All right, I got you, dog.
shit! Let's get out of here!
Man, you ain't nothing but a punk. Bitch! Shit! You hit me! Bitch ass punk! See what you got! Hey, Charlie's hit! You're gonna regret this! There's no way shit, that was close! Out the whip, lady! Take that, nigga. Sorry, but you don't need it.
Oh man, there's gotta be a way to get rid.
How's it going?
Call just came in. Who wants to do a pickup right now?
Sure, I can take that.
Perfect. They're right around the corner from you.
Stop that, Jerry! You're looking at Tuesday, right? Let's get this chariot in motion!
Jerk!
That's Hey! The struggle, yo! Shit!
God bless you, and thank you.
Hey, look, man.
Look! You were like a son to me. Employee of the month. Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun in my head.
No loyalty, no integrity. You should have taken the bullet. My business, my totally legitimate business. You're fucked, my boy. Fucked.
This has got to stop happening to me.
$150 an hour to fuck my wife in my own bed?
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man?
Get out of my way. Guy bounced my wife is what happened.
Which guy?
The guy I'm paying to teach her tennis.
Dude almost got away, man.
Hey, see you back.
You rich dudes, homie. You know, back in the hood, man, we gotta watch out for the mailman, dog.
Yeah, I'm a cuckold, a snob, and a fucking cliche. There's that little prick. The fuck is he? Fucking stoner prick! RV asshole!
Fuck, man, I think we lost his ass.
He lives somewhere up in the canyon. We'll find him. Where'd that slimy little white fucker go? It's this track here.
Hey, you in one of these fucking houses?
Yeah, keep your eye out. He left his car. Check it out. Little prick's up there. Look.
Oh, shit. Cole's doing all right for himself.
Hey! Asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debt!
Michael, fine! You got the wrong idea, man!
They think the world owes them a living. There's a winch in the back of the truck. Try to keep... Yeah, whatever.
I told you I comped the session, bud!
But there were a lot of freaking sessions. And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit!
Well, hey, wait! You got the wrong idea, pal! Whoa! Fuck!
Here we go! Ha! Let's see what happens.
Dude, you are probably crazy. Oh, shit. Sorry now, but already. Yeah, he gonna feel this, dog. Man, homie ain't rubbing outside tonight, dog. Come on, man, do it to him. Man, get some force on that motherfucker. Oh, fuck!
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You! Yes, that one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified.
Man, you been kind of reckless, homie. Hey, man, there's some mean-looking motherfucking essays right behind you.
Oh, that was quick. All right, help me deal with this.
I'll give it a go, man. Keep trying.
We can handle this, right? Screw 'em.
Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
Shit, man. Get rid of them.
If these are Mark Madrazo's boys, there's a lot more where they came from. Hey, the essays is booked.
All right, let's go back home. Wow, shit, you did good. I mean, I don't know if you hit anyone because your aim's all over the place, but I appreciate the backup.
Ah, thank you. Are you sure I didn't hit?
Maybe go to a shooting range and work on your aim before we go out again.
Oh, fuck, man. Shit, you good?
Fine as wine. Got a few knocks. You okay? I mean, you did good, kid.
Man, I'm cool, man. I mean, you, mentally.
Mentally? Oh, man, I'm fucking excellent. My heart ain't pumped like that in years. Oh, yes! Fucking A, Bubba! Whew. Hey. I had no idea I was gonna get that up. Hello. Is this still the number for Lester Crest?
Who's asking?
Who's asking? Who's asking?
You're awful cagey. Even for a dead man. Come see me, old friend. I'm living in Los Santos, just like you. Murrieta Heights.
Whoa, wait. Hey, how do you... Hello? You fucker.
Holy shit!
Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon. Too close!
Message from me, get off your fat ass.
I see this exercise stuff's about as relaxing for you as it is for...
Okay, man boobs, race you to the beach. I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
My turn, motherfucker. It's running. How much gear do you need?
I feel like I'm being chased by my creepy uncle.
Yeah, if your uncle was the same age as you mean? Although that would explain a lot.
Fuck you!
Why are you so angry?
I'm not angry! I'm exercising!
Let's go running next week.
Run on the road! Take that traffic head on!
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
That space is yours! Own it! The road is for runners! I've got right of way, bitch! Can't you see I'm running here?
Dude, my dad dropped acid with him in the
Amateur!
What I'm talking about.
This must be so emasculating for you.
Yeah, what's cracking?
You should really think about behavioral medication.
Okay, here we go. Last push. Come on, flick the switch, Marianne. Let's go lactic.
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you!
My shrink's office is right near here if you want to work through some of that shit.
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy.
Yo, meet me at the beach.
Oh.
Please tell me you're not having a heart attack back there. Okay, man boobs, race you to the beach. I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
The failed jock. This is so tragic. Excuse me for walking.
I can't tell if you're loving this or hating it.
Tony, I told you don't call me no more.
Screw you, I'm running here.
Oh, hi. How are you? Oh, excuse me.
Age range, firing on all cylinders.
Damn it.
Okay, here we go. Last push. Come on, flick the switch, Marianne. Let's go lactic.
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you!
My shrink's office is right near here if you want to work through some of that shit.
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy.
I didn't mean that shit.
You can run around the... Unbelievable!
Not too shabby, huh?
You can have that one on me. Here, I already did it 10K today.
Yeah, whatever gets you through it. Oh, my chest. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try!
They owned my whole body for the shoot. The men all crowded around the set.
Look out! What is this bullshit?
Unbelievable! Come on!
Shit!
Oh, what the fuck is that? What's happening?
Hell, Mike!
That exhibit was amazing.
Whoa! Too close!
Hey, girlfriend!
Shit! Watch the fuck out, will ya?